Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss basic concepts in geometry. Very basic one, coordinate axis. Before that, definition of x-axis. X-axis. X and it is x prime. I will take one vertical line. It is y prime. Point of intersection of coordinate axis is taken as origin. The line, the horizontal line x prime is called x-axis. Once again, what is definition of x-axis? The horizontal line, it should be horizontal. The horizontal line x prime. X prime is called x-axis. X prime. And similarly, the vertical line y-axis. The vertical line y prime. The vertical line y prime is called y-axis. Y prime. It should be vertical. The vertical line y prime is called y-axis. And one point, AXIS, it is singular. Singular form. AXES, axis, it is also axis. Pronunciation is same. Axis, axis. AXES, it is plural. Plural form. Plural, singular. Axis, axis. Next, origin. The point of intersection of coordinate axis. Then what is definition of coordinate axis? X-axis and y-axis together is called. X-axis and y-axis together is called coordinate axis. X-axis and y-axis together is known as coordinate axis. Then definition of origin. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis are coordinate axis. Both are one and the same. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is known as origin. It is denoted with O. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. The horizontal line x prime is x-axis. The vertical line y prime is y-axis. Next. Then what are the coordinates? What are the coordinates of origin? Or else, before knowing coordinates of origin, what is definition of quadrant? Quadrant. It may be first quadrant or second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. What is definition of quadrant? Definition of quadrant. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Then what is definition of a quadrant? Clearly, X, O, Y. This is first quadrant. Y, O, X prime. This is second quadrant. Then X prime, O, Y prime. Third quadrant. y prime o x. It is fourth quadrant. Then what is definition of quadrant? Two mutually perpendicular lines. Lines means straight lines. Two mutually perpendicular lines x o x prime and y o y prime. Two mutually perpendicular lines divide the plane. Any one of the plane. Two mutually perpendicular lines divide the plane into four equal parts. Four equal parts. This part is same as this part, is same as this part, and it is same as this part. Two mutually perpendicular. Mutually means x-axis is perpendicular to y-axis and y-axis is also perpendicular to x-axis. For example, it is line 1 L1 and it is line 2 L2. If line 1 is perpendicular to line 2 and line 2 is also perpendicular to line 1, then we can say that mutually ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು mutually perpendicular. L1 is perpendicular to L2 and L2 is perpendicular to L1. In such cases, we can say that mutually. Two mutually perpendicular lines. Two mutually perpendicular lines divide the plane into four equal parts. Each part is called a quadrant. This part is a quadrant, this part is quadrant, quadrant and quadrant. Two mutually perpendicular lines divide the plane into four equal parts. Each part means this part is quadrant, this part is also quadrant, quadrant, quadrant. Definition of quadrant. Two mutually perpendicular lines divide the plane into four equal parts. Each part is known as a quadrant. Next, definition of first quadrant. What is definition of first quadrant? Quadrant means two mutually perpendicular lines divide the plane into four equal parts. Each part is known as a quadrant. In that, what is definition of first quadrant? It is part of the plane. The part of the plane x, o, y. This part is known as first quadrant. The part of the plane, its definition. The part of the plane x, o, y. This part is called first quadrant. Simply definition. The part of the plane x, o, y, this part is known as first quadrant. Similarly, what is second quadrant? Means what is definition of second quadrant? Same sentence. The part of the plane y, o, x prime. This part is known as second quadrant. The part of the plane y, o, x prime. Y, O, x prime. The part of the plane y, o, x prime is called second quadrant. Similarly, definition of third quadrant. The part of the plane x, o, y prime. This part is known as third quadrant. The part of the plane x prime, o, y prime. X prime, o, y prime. This part is known as third quadrant. Then lastly, fourth quadrant. What is its definition? The part of the plane y prime o x. Y prime o x is called fourth quadrant, or in other words, x o y prime. X o y prime is called fourth quadrant. The part of the plane x o y prime is called fourth quadrant. Next, x, x prime, y, y prime, y prime. In first quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinates are positive. Both the coordinates are positive. X coordinate as well as y coordinate. Both are positive in first quadrant. In first quadrant, x coordinate as well as y coordinate. Both are positive. In the second quadrant, which coordinate is negative? It is point of intersection is known as origin. Left side of origin, it is negative x-axis. Right side of origin, positive x-axis. Similarly, above the origin, positive y-axis. Below the origin, negative y-axis. X coordinate negative. X coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. In the second quadrant, x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. In the third quadrant, both the coordinates are negative. Both x as well as y coordinates are negative. In fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. In first quadrant, both the coordinates are positive. In the second quadrant, x coordinate negative, y positive. Third quadrant, both the coordinates are negative. In fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Next. P of x comma y. What is meaning of P of x comma y, or what it represents? What is point P? What is meaning of point P or P of x comma y? P of x comma y represents distance of the point from the coordinate axis. Means at what distance this point is away from the x-axis and y-axis. At what distance this point is away from x-axis and y-axis. P of x comma y represents distance of the point from the x-axis as well as from the y-axis. Now, this vertical distance, what is vertical distance? Vertical distance is always y coordinate. Vertical distance, this is nothing but y coordinate. What is y coordinate? Y coordinate of this point represents the distance of the point from the x-axis, not from the y-axis. This is y coordinate, vertical distance. Vertical distance is y coordinate, and horizontal distance, this is x coordinate. P of x comma y means this point P at a distance y unit from the x-axis, x unit from the y-axis. X coordinate represents distance of the point from the y-axis. X coordinate means distance of the point from the y-axis. Y coordinate represents distance of the point from the x-axis. If you write 2, 3, what is meaning of 2, 3? This point at a distance 2 units from the whether from y-axis or from x-axis, 2 units from the y-axis. X coordinate means it is distance of the point from the y-axis. Vertical distance is y coordinate. 2, 3 means this point at a distance 3 units from the x-axis, 2 units from the y-axis. In generally, any point represents distance of the point from the coordinate axis. X coordinate means what it represents? X coordinate is nothing but distance of the point from the y-axis. What is y coordinate? Y coordinate means distance of the point from the x-axis. X coordinate. x coordinate. X coordinate is nothing but distance of the point from the x coordinate means distance of the point from the y axis. Distance of the point from the y axis. X coordinate of any point represents the distance of the point from the y axis. Then what is y coordinate? Y coordinate means distance of the point from the x axis. Distance of the point from the x axis. In general point x comma y. X is nothing but distance of the point from the y axis. Y coordinate is distance of the point from the x axis. And x coordinate is also known as abscissa. X coordinate of the point is also known as abscissa. X coordinate or abscissa of the point. X coordinate. X coordinate is also known as abscissa. Abscissa means x coordinate of the point. Then what is y coordinate? Y coordinate, or it is also known as ordinate, simply ordinate. Suppose point 2, 8. In this case, what is abscissa of the point? What is abscissa? X coordinate. This is abscissa. Abscissa. 8 is ordinate. X coordinate of the point is known as abscissa. Y coordinate of the point is known as ordinate. Other name. Instead of x coordinate, abscissa. Instead of y coordinate, ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate. Next, what are the coordinates of origin? In general point P of x comma y. If you take this point on the origin, then what happens? Now this point is at a distance x unit from the y axis and y units from the y axis. If you take this point here, then height is reduced as well as horizontal distance is reduced. Vertical distance as well as horizontal distance is reduced. If you take this point P here, again vertical distance as well as horizontal distance is reduced. If you take this point on the origin, then what happens? Clearly x coordinate as well as y coordinate becomes 0. It is some distance x and some vertical distance y. If you take this point on the origin, then clearly x coordinate and y coordinates becomes 0. coordinates of origin are coordinates of origin equal to 0, 0. Origin coordinates 0, 0. X coordinate 0, y coordinate is also 0. And origin is denoted with O. Next, if you take any point on the x-axis, if you take any point on the x-axis, then what happens? For example, it is one point B of x comma y. If you take this point on the x-axis, then what happens? Take this point on the x-axis, then vertical distance becomes 0. Clear? If you take this point on the x-axis, then only vertical distance becomes 0. If you take this point, here, then only y coordinate is reduced, x coordinate remains here. If you take this point on the x-axis, then clearly vertical distance becomes 0. Vertical distance 0 means y coordinate 0. Any point on the x-axis is always of the form x comma 0. X coordinate non-zero, y coordinate 0. Any point on the x-axis is of the form. Any point on the x-axis is of the form. Any point on the x-axis is of the form x comma 0. Just remember, on the x-axis y coordinate is 0. If you take any point on the x-axis, it is of the form x comma 0. On the x-axis y coordinate 0. If you take any point on the x-axis, then its y coordinate is 0. It is y-axis, it is x-axis. On the x-axis y coordinate is 0. Then if you take any point on the y-axis, then its x coordinate becomes 0. Any point on the y-axis is of the form 0 comma y. If you take any point on the y-axis, x coordinate 0, y coordinate non-zero. It is y-axis, it is x-axis. On the x-axis, y coordinate 0. On the y-axis, x coordinate 0. Just remember these points. On the x-axis, y coordinate 0, or any point on the x-axis is of the form x comma 0. 2 comma or else minus 10 comma 0. On which axis this point lie? On which axis this point lie? Clearly y coordinate 0 means it is on x-axis. In that, x coordinate negative means it is on the negative x-axis. Suppose point is 0 comma plus 5. Clearly this point is on x-axis or y-axis? 0. X coordinate 0 means clearly it is on the y-axis. This point is lies on the y-axis and on the positive y-axis. In particular, this point lies on the positive y-axis. This point lies on negative x-axis. Next, image of the point or reflection of the point. Image of the point with respect to coordinate axis. Image of the point or reflection. Image or reflection. Image of the point or reflection of the point. Suppose point is x comma y. Write the image of this point with respect to x-axis. It is x-axis, y-axis, x prime and y prime. It is origin. Given point is x comma y. What is image of this point with respect to x-axis? Image of this point with respect to x-axis. Clearly it is on the fourth quadrant. What is its image? Image point is. What is image of this point? Its image is taken as P prime. What is image of P of x comma y? In fourth quadrant, which coordinate is negative? Image of the point. Suppose given point is in first quadrant. Image of the point in first quadrant with respect to x-axis is in the fourth quadrant. If you take image of this point, clearly it is lie on fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, which coordinate is negative? Clearly y coordinate is negative. X coordinate remains same, x comma minus y. Image of x comma y with respect to x-axis. And this point is P prime. Then what is image of P with respect to y-axis? With respect to y-axis means it is in the second quadrant. With respect to x-axis it becomes in the fourth quadrant. With respect to y-axis in the second quadrant. If this is image of P with respect to y-axis and it is denoted with Q. Then what are the coordinates of Q? Q is image of P. Second quadrant means x negative, y positive. Image of P of x comma y with respect to x-axis. Image of P of x comma y with respect to y-axis. Suppose we want image of P with respect to origin. Image of this point with respect to origin means it is becomes in the third quadrant. I will take it as Q prime. Then what are the coordinates of Q prime? Minus x minus y. Why? Because in third quadrant both the coordinates are negative. Image of P of x comma y with respect to x-axis is x comma minus y. With respect to y-axis minus x comma y. With respect to origin minus x comma minus y. Image of the point. Image of P with respect to origin. With respect to x-axis. With respect to